What if I'm concerned about my behavior in my relationship? No relationship is perfect, and addressing your own unhealthy behaviors is an important part of keeping your relationship safe and healthy. If you find yourself criticizing your partner, controlling their spending, monitoring their location, or threatening their safety, and you know this is not the person you want to be, reach out to the Family Advocacy Program to get help before your behavior escalates. The Family Advocacy Program provides support to individuals and families to end the use of violence and harmful behaviors and strengthen the health and safety of relationships. When you call, a clinician will review your rights and treatment options. They'll tell you about what could happen throughout the process and what can be confidential. This can help you decide how much you want to share. Together with your clinician, you'll line up a plan which can involve counseling or classes that can help you address concerns about your behavior, learn better communication skills, and find a healthy path forward. If you're concerned about keeping things private, you can always choose to talk to a military chaplain, and your conversation will remain completely confidential. Or, if you want to learn how to better manage stress, understand harmful patterns of behavior, and find healthier ways to communicate with your partner, Military OneSource has resources and support available. The first step to a healthy relationship is knowing the road won't always be smooth. Taking responsibility, recognizing unhealthy behaviors, and getting support can help you, your relationship, and your career down the line. To find support from your local family advocacy program, visit installations.militaryonesource.mil/FAP.